Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mini Stars Academy.
Fruits name for kids. Apple, apple, banana, banana, grapes, grapes, orange, orange, watermelon, watermelon, pineapple, pineapple, a strawberry, a strawberry, mango, mango, peach, peach, pear, pear. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.